Hi, Dean here from Tricon Construction Services. We're doing the glulam beam and column install for AEW and the Selwyn Aquatic Centre, Wollaston. Today we're lifting 4 glulam beams in. The overall length is 31 metres. Overall weight, beam with knuckles included, is 8.5 tonne. These columns here we installed last week and landed the beams on top last week so that the steel guys could do their steel and get it welded. Now we're just landing the last beams on top. These are the glulam beams. They come from Levin. Before we start lifting, we have to put the purlin brackets on and also the knuckles on the end, knee joints. The beam is actually constructed with 50mm sections, glued and then compressed and then dressed. These are all treated because they'll be left as raw state in the pool, just for a better look than steel.